We've been creating mobile phones since 2007, and that means that we've been creating phones for 7 years. And so, with the iPhone 6, we've continued. So there's some new features in this iPhone, which we're going to talk to you about in this video. The foundation of what the iPhone 6 is at Apple's heart. We both design the hardware and design the software which you use. And I think it's because of that that we're able to fuse these two parts of creating a mobile phone into something truly incredible, truly profound, which we've never actually managed to do before with any of the iPhones. Ever. The first time you look at iPhone 6, you'll be incredibly aware of how familiar it is. Everything you look at on iPhone 6, you get the feeling that you've seen just a moment before. And that's because it's highly reflective of... well, it's just reflective. The reason for its reflectiveness is iPhone 6's material. It's carved out of a single sheet of aluminium. And when holding this in the hand, it makes it incredibly light and incredibly thin. We're also proud to announce that the iPhone 6 Plus is the world's first flexible iPhone. To fit it in your pocket, all you need to do is just bend it, and it will work instantly. And all of this is from a single piece of aluminium. No one's ever made metal that can be bended so easily, except all the manufacturers of aluminium foil. I think that the reason for how incredible the iPhone 6 is its all new software. It's running iOS 8 straight out of the box, which no other device has ever done, and no other device ever will, because the next iPhone that you buy will be running iOS 9, and in a year iOS 8 will not be used by anyone anymore because we're not a fragmented system. I think the reason that the design of iPhone 6 is so incredible is how simple it is to hold. Because it's so thin and light, the costs of manufacturing are relatively low compared to previous iPhones. And so it means that we can sell it for a low price. Well, we can, but we don't, because you'll buy it at whatever price we sell it at, so we just put the price up. But anyway, it's a lot cheaper to manufacture, and that means that we get bigger profits, and therefore we're able to innovate more. We're able to, but we don't. We leave that to other, more fragmented manufacturers who are less intuitive and full of structural stability. Due to a change in the employees of Apple, also known as the sacking of Scott Forstall, I'm now in charge of making the software as well as the hardware, which means that I get double screen on time to stare at you with my big eyes, because I have to talk about the hardware and the software. So I've already talked about the hardware for a bit, but now I'm going to talk to you about the software. And actually for the software bit I have to look slightly off the lens over here. I think what's so profound about the software is its varied ecosystem, which isn't varied, but it's varied in what you can do with it, except it's all in one place. It's all in your Apple ID account, iCloud account, Mobile Me account, whichever one you have. I also changed the icons with a new palette of colours, although that's the same as the one in iOS 7, so I won't talk about that. We've also made some fragmented additions, but made them less fragmented, like allowing the installation of third-party keyboards. Overall, iPhone 6 is phenomenal. It's incredible, and it's phenomenal, and it's intuitive. And because of that, we've come up with a whole new slogan for it. iPhone 6 is the phone that you've always had in your kitchen drawer. But I think I'm even more proud of the iPhone 6 Plus's slogan. iPhone 6 Plus, it bends to meet your needs.